really cool. This is a huge garage sale. There's so much stuff. Not this time. Cute picture of the girl and the dog. That's for. Alright, my girls and I are doing a rummage outing. So it is a neighborhood wide in our local city. We're gonna try to see what we can get in about 2.5 hours, and then go play at a park and enjoy the afternoon and then get home. But neighborhood wide rummage sale here in this city, that means hundreds of sales. So obviously won't hit them all. It's 3 or 4 days long for the sale. This is the first day. So I have my list on my phone of things I need. Some like artwork for the bedroom, a few things for the girls, right, Nevaeh? A few, yeah. And so just some things to look at, and we'll see what we can spot. But this is my first official like rummage outing in day. So we'll see how it goes with the girls. I brought the stroller and we're gonna hit up some garage sales. So let's go. Lots of kids' clothes. This is pretty. Just found a scooter for $4 at a garage sale. She's been wanting a scooter for a while. Go ahead. Here's a couple more, 3 more. Hoping for some vintage stuff. Ooh, I see some. Perfect. Look at these. These are cool. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And then, oh, the spice rack right there. Cool. This is a huge garage sale. There's so much stuff. Just like doesn't end. It's a pretty table, but $40. Oh, that table next to you. Ooh. Oh, this crate here. Yeah, let's look at this. Oh, we made it into something different. Okay, don't play. That's a collectible. Yeah, that's a collectible, I think. Not this time. Expensive. Hello. It's pretty. Yeah. Wonder if it's a twin. Do you know if this is a twin quilt? What do you think of it? That's pretty, isn't it? I think I already have these at home. I got rid of those. I already got rid of those from the house. Cute picture of the girl and the dog. That's for, I know. No, I think I said 40 for the set. That's expensive. And let's look at this galvanized. This big bucket here. Because I plant in those. 40. Woof. That's spendy. I do like all this type of stuff, but it's just all expensive. Let's see about that watering can there. 20. Oh, this is 45. That's really expensive. For a garage sale, that is very expensive. It's a cute frame. $1. That's cute.
I'm following you. Oh, good.
Alright, so here is my haul, also, plus the scooter my daughter got, which you saw, and a pair of 5T pajamas for her that I got for her for $1. But I did not pick up a whole lot, actually. I've shared this before. I limit myself to what I think I need, what I'm going to use, and some of the prices, as you saw, were a little spendy, in my opinion, for garage sales. But I'll start with these antiques or vintage pieces first. I found this Atlas jar for $3, and I can either put those in my booth for double that or keep it, because I've told you before I like storing my teas in there and such. And this one was $4, and it even has the lid on it. It's really pretty. I'll probably put that in my booth because I already have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 blue mason jars in my own repertoire and collection. Alright, and then you saw me pick these up. This one was 50 cents. I'm not sure what it says there, but it's fun that they have the full lid and lock there. And then this one, I've never seen a big, like a wider one in the brown. And that was $1. And then this one was also $1. So I might keep one of those, or I might just get rid of all of those in my booth as well. And then I needed another Pyrex pan. This was $1, just for like baby prep stuff to put in the freezer, to be honest. And they're handy to have. Or sometimes I've given some pans to some people who needed it, and you think they would give it back, but they don't. So it's nice to find cheap ones, just so that you're not concerned about getting a really nice pan back. These were all $1 a piece. Sterilite containers. I've needed some for some toy management here. Building blocks, things like that. So I got 5. And actually, I only paid $4 because I think we thought there were only 4, but there are 5. So $4 for 5 of those containers. Pretty good deal. Right, some clothes. Well, let's start with the books first. I looked at these books. These are wonderful. They're just like a little touch and feel. My girls really like them. They have just so much texture. And they think they are Usborne. Yeah, I think they're Usborne. And this one makes a noise. So I'm not going to start it for you, but it's really fun. Little book there. And then this one was free, actually. Just about butterflies, which is a great time of year to get a butterfly book. And then like this pack of 3 books was 25 cents. So a Dolly Parton book, which was a really cute book to read. This one is really cute as well. And then this is a Shine a Light book. We have a garden Shine a Light book. You shine a light behind the page and it illuminates this image. So it's really fun, good learning book. So, and that's an Usborne as well. So really fun books to find. I paid $1 for all my books. Then a little bit of baby clothes, of course, because we don't know her gender, as many of you have heard before. So this one's a newborn, really cute with a little, to go over the fingernails, llamas. I think it's some llamas. So I like that it's a zip up or zip down. This is a 3 to 6 months, so you know, it's pretty neutral. So whatever gender we have, it's just like letters. It'd be fine. So, and both those were actually $2. So I paid a little more on those than I would typically, but they're so cute. They're the Cloud 9, or Cloud Island, sorry, which I believe is from Target. So there that is. I did also get this picture for $3. I really just thought the natural scenery was beautiful. So I don't know, we'll see if I hang it in my bedroom or not. I'm not sure I like the dark wood, but I'm really not sure right now. So $3 for that I thought was okay. Well, I'm glad you could come along rummaging with my girls and I and see my haul of an assortment of things. So I am going to hopefully be going out and doing some more rummaging after baby comes. When you're seeing this, I'm about 5 days away from my due date. So we'll see how it goes. Local rummages, of course, I'll be able to hit up, but it's always a transition, especially from 2 to 3. So hope you enjoyed seeing the little garage sales we got to see. And it's a little harder to hold the camera when you have a stroller and 2 littles. So anyways, that's what it is. But I wanted to bring you along for my first official outing of rummaging. And by the way, I'll show you my picture here. So this picture that I shared, I think it would look good right here. So that's the thought. It's between this one and this one. So if you got a suggestion, let me know what you think. Anyways, have a blessed and wonderful day, friends.